When upgrading your golf cart, don't overlook the benefits of increasing performance. Introducing the Navitas AC Conversion Kit. This kit includes everything you need to convert your existing DC system to modern AC power. Take full control and customization over your cart with a new motor, controller, on-the-fly programmer, and app. This all-in-one bundle also includes mounting brackets and a 500 amp solenoid, so you can get going right out of the box. The Navitas controller provides customization of speed, acceleration, regen, and range. This controller gives you the flexibility of more power when you need it, and also allows you to maintain speed when going uphill. The controller housing has thermal protection and is fully IP5X sealed to protect from dirt and dust. The Navitas brushless AC motor provides increased reliability and range, improved efficiency, greater acceleration, and requires less maintenance. This motor is the perfect complement to your Navitas controller. The on-the-fly programmer and Bluetooth control app will allow you to personalize your ride in real time. The programmer has user-friendly adjustable controls for speed, regen, and acceleration with a lockout feature. You can even set the programmer to below OEM settings for safety or power-saving purposes. The Bluetooth app has a built-in speedometer, one-click lockout feature, motor temperature and battery voltage gauges, and a diagnostic alert to send to your technician. The app is available for Apple iOS and Android. There's also a dealer-exclusive app that offers more precise controls for technicians. If you want to personalize the performance of your golf cart, look no further than the Navitas AC Conversion Kit.